is pop quiz. Can pigs fly?
No.
Wrong. They can. This bacon flew here from the other side of the world.
Of all your science fiction fantasies, this has to be the craziest. Are you feeling okay, cousin? Can I get you a cold beverage?
It's true. Lots of our food, including fruits and vegetables, arrives on trains and planes from far, far away.
Just think how much gas this bacon used to get here. This whole meal has burned a ton of gasoline.
I guess you're right. Maybe we should eat more local stuff.
Exactly.
Here's local for you. Can you give me the ketchup, Dex? It's in the kitchen. That's only about 20 feet away.